Hi everyone, welcome to this week's showcase. My name is Sierra and I'm with 911 Rapid Response. This week we're going to show you the chief vehicle for our friends at Plattekill Fire District in New York. Starting at the front, you will see T-Series. They do flash blue and red. Also white is mixed in there when we change function. Around the side, above the wheel wells, you will also see T-Series, as well as on the running board. Up top is a Whelen light bar. It is the Legacy Duo. Graphics are done in-house by Mark.It Graphics. In the back window, you will also see a T-Series on either side. In the very back, you will see a Whelen 2250 arrow stick, T-Series on each side of the license plate. And inside the hatch, you will also see T-Series in here for when it's open. Inside the hatch, there is 2 compartment lights, as well as a Just.Box.It made specifically for this customer. There is a whiteboard drawer with storage underneath here. There's also a gun lock box in here. And then this is for extra storage. Inside the vehicle, there is a Havis vehicle-specific console. You will also see 2 openings there. That is for radios that will be supplied by the customer. I'll get in and show you some light function. Scene left. Scene front. Scene right. Cruise. Command. That is this week's showcase. We hope you liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media outlets, and we will see you next time.